mixture, and I'm going to place it inside this bag, right? You hold it, you hold your hand so that I can't possibly play it. Okay? Please watch. The magic is done. Did you guys feel anything strange happening? No? Watch. Nothing happened. If somehow the mixed cube inside this bag solves itself, is that going to be magic? Watch. Maybe you are thinking that there is something inside this bag, right? So let me show you what's actually inside this bag. You may go and